Guys, as you see, drinking my coffee. This came out so good. So you saw like the behind the scenes. I was trying to make a TikTok. I've been having so much fun on there. So make sure to follow me on TikTok if you guys want to see more videos, because I've been so consistent. I've been posting like pretty often because they're just so fun to make. So I look crazy. It is what it is. But the reason I look like this is because I'm actually going to install a wig. That's why I've been watching Armand. I love watching her videos, and anytime I'm about to try to do my hair, do a wig, I go back through her videos and just like hype myself up. So that's what I'm doing now. My hair is currently braided back. I did it last night. I was up till like 2:30 in the morning trying to braid my hair and do all of it. So that's what I did now. So like my hair is actually super flat. I'm really impressed with the way I braided it. And yeah, I feel like the wig is gonna sit nice on my head. I'll take y'all through the process today of me trying to install this wig. All right, hey guys, so I have my hair braided up. They're really flat. It's just with these, I'm just gonna probably crisscross them and tuck them into the wig cap. I bleached the knots last night. I also plucked it. I didn't have to pluck too much. I may go back in and pluck some more. I don't know. I just didn't want to go crazy because I've done that in the past without trying it on, and it just looks crazy. But this is 22 inches and it's straight hair. I washed it. I let it air dry a little, but I did go through with the blow dryer because it was just like, I was gonna try to put it on last night, but I got sleepy, so I was like, whatever. So it's like half dry, like air dried, half blow dried, but it's 22 inches. Hair is nice. It's a 4x4 frontal. This is my first frontal wig. So I'm excited about that. Ignore this wig cap, y'all. This wig head, it's been through a lot. But yeah, so it's a 4x4 frontal, my first frontal wig. I bleached the knots. They didn't bleach like as much as I wanted to, but I didn't want to keep going back over it because I'll just put makeup in it, so it's whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put this wig cap on and get started. Should I do the bottle cap method? I don't know. Let me just put this on. I think what I'm gonna do is put this on and flat iron it to tame the hair, because like when hair is just like this frizzy, I can't really see like how, I can't really get a good look of how I want it to lay. Oh my gosh, this looks crazy. Y'all. This looks scary. Oh my gosh. What? Guys. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this to make it flatter, because this is just kind of overwhelming me. So once I'm done flat ironing it, I'll get back on here and show you guys what I'm about to do. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little discouraged, so I'm gonna take a little break because I'm like not really feeling it. I know it's because I still have this lace on, but I'm just trying to think like if I should run out to the store, get some glue and just glue it down. That way, I don't know if I should do the bottle cap method. I don't know. Like, I don't want to glue it because I want to be able to still oil my scalp and stuff. I'm just like thinking that, and then I'm not used to like long straight hair on me like this. Like, I like how, I don't know, maybe because I don't have my makeup done, like, and then this thing is on my, I don't know. I need to cut some layers in the front because this is just not framing my face the way I would want it to. So I'm just gonna take a little break, honestly, because I'm getting kind of mad. Okay, guys. So this is how my hair turned out. I wanted to come out here and show you because the lighting in the bathroom is just not the best. It's very yellow, but this is more natural lighting in front of my window. So this is how it turned out. Not perfect, okay? It's not perfect. You can clearly see the wig cap, but when I do my makeup, I'll come back and show you guys because I'm gonna put like makeup in the center and like, you know, kind of tweak it a little bit more. But I just wanted to show you how it's looking so far. I ran out of mousse, so I kind of just had to use like what I had. So I had some hair pomade, like hair wax, and I put that on, and then I also sprayed a light mist of the Got2b like around here. But then I went back in with my hot comb and just made sure that it was very flat. And my hair is so flat right now. I'm actually really impressed. I didn't think my hair could lay this flat because I have a lot of hair, you guys, and sometimes it like lumps up and you can see it, but I braided it pretty flat. So that's the key, I think, to like a good flat install, is having your hair braided really good. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little impressed. I was feeling a little overwhelmed, like, and discouraged because I'm really a perfectionist, and this type of hair, like, it's good, like the closure and stuff is good, but it's like, if I want it to be perfect, I'm gonna have to go to a professional. Like, there's only so much I can do, but I'm getting better, and practice makes perfect. Ignore the baby hairs. I'm gonna go back in and fix them, but I don't like super like glued looking baby hairs, so I tried to like break it up a little bit. But yeah, guys, it doesn't look that bad. Like I said, I'm gonna fix it. But for now, it looks okay. Gives me hope. But yeah, I'll come back on here once I have my makeup done and everything, to show y'all the finished product. Hey guys. So I finished my makeup and I wanted to get on here. I'm about to head out. Let me put lip gloss on. But I'm about to head out to meet a friend. We're gonna go to this cute little spot here in Houston called Lost and Found. So I wanted to get on here and show you guys the final product. I ended up, you guys, I took this thing off, I put it back on, I took it back off again, and I put it back on. I ended up doing the bald cap method. It's still, I feel like it looks better than it did before. It's not perfect, you know, but it's cute, it's nice. I still kind of want to tweak it. I know I'm going to go back in there and tweak some more, but for now, this does not look that bad for an Amazon wig. I'm actually really impressed with the way it looks. And not gonna lie, I feel so cute right now. Like, I'm feeling myself. I got my lashes done the other day. Got this long 22 inches in. I just feel so cute. So this is my outfit too. By the way, I got these shoes from Amazon too. But yeah, guys, it was so much fun filming this video. I actually had a lot of fun today messing around with this wig and filming it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any suggestions, any video ideas, stuff like that, what you want to see next. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, because like I said, I've been being so consistent on there. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.